We bought a new monitor, but it's bigger than you might expect. So what's up guys, Fabri here and welcome to Shades of Tech. In this video we're gonna be unboxing the Samsung CRG9 5K 49-inch 32:9 super ultra-wide 120Hz display. The specs talk pretty much for themselves, and the box dimension being as wide as the monitor suggests a pretty wide monitor experience, but this is definitely one of those tech products you need to see in person because it feels even larger and bigger than you might expect. With this 1800R curve, it's actually 1.2 meters large and will take up almost all the space even with the wider desks. Also, there is a lot of material, and with the stand it goes up to almost 15 kilos, being 12 without the stand. In the next video we're gonna be trying to set up this monitor on the wall mount arms to see how it goes. So let's unbox this massive box, shall we? Opening the box, the first thing you will find is the stand base. Of course, it's quite large, it's metal made, pretty high quality, and it feels very premium. Then we have a circular plate that covers the point where the mount will fit. Plastic, but it's the back, so it's fine to me. And then a back plate cover that will cover the ports and cable manager. Since there is a lot of room for cables behind the monitor, they took cable management very seriously. This is definitely a thumbs up. And then the metal stand, really heavy and thick metal to support all the monitor's weight. And has an hidden cable management path, so it's really neat. And then the accessory box with the Visa 100 wall mounting plate we're gonna be testing in the next video. And a lot of cables. I was quite impressed with the number of DisplayPort and HDMI cables included, and of course the power cord, since the power brick is already inside the monitor, making the whole setup very neat. I'm really happy with what Samsung delivers in terms of accessories and build quality with this $1,000 tag monitor. And finally, the super ultra wide monitor in all its glory. All the body is plastic, but there is a nice rounded glass plate where you place the stand, where there is also a LED light you can turn on and off. So it's really well done, since the lateral profile is really evident, but it's really smooth. Mounting the monitor stand was pretty easy and fast. Once the monitor is facing down, you just need to place the stand and fix it with 4 Phillips hex screws. And then close the visible part with the circular plate that completes the design. And then place the base on the stand with 2 convenient thumb screws. They are pretty popular even with the LG stands as well. Once you're done, you can make leverage on the stand to put the monitor vertically, and you're pretty much done. Definitely it's nice, but since I mounted alone a 4 kilo 8K TV, this was not a big problem. We are ready for the screen reveal. I was quite impressed. What do you think? Definitely worth seeing in person if you haven't already. And now I was excited, as you probably are right now, to see the screen turn on. So I moved it on my desk and connected to my Mac Pro, and man, it looks so good. This is all its glory, 5K 49-inch HDR1000 glory. And I was so happy that I forgot the camera was rolling and then started to play with it and forgot everything else. So that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching me so far. Be sure to like or dislike this video, comment and subscribe. Expect a full coverage on this new monitor with the wall mounting, the upgrading to my dream desk setup you can see behind me, and a full review in the following weeks, so definitely stay tuned for that. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!